welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. Let's start with the national news first. So President Draupadi Murmu has announced the renaming of two halls of Rashtrapati Bhavan, which are Darbar Hall and Ashok Hall respectively, as the Ganatantra Mandap and also as the Ashok Mandap. Moving on, the Reserve Bank of India, it has issued prompt corrective action framework for primary urban cooperative banks. This will be effective from 1st of April next year. Earlier, the RBI had issued supervisory action framework as an early intervention to help out these weak urban cooperative banks. The government has launched revamped model skill loan scheme to facilitate loans up to Rs 7.5 lakh with guarantee from government promoted funds. This is expected to help out 25,000 plus students each year. The Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Ashwini Vaishnav, has announced winners for the 10th edition of National Community Radio Awards. He also inaugurated India's 500th community radio station, which is called Apna Radio 90.0 FM. This is run by Indian Institute of Mass Communication as well. Next, the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, he holds bilateral talks with his counterparts on the sidelines of the ASEAN meeting. Now next is an update from Uttarakhand. So all the vehicles which are entering the state, they are mandated to carry a dustbin or a garbage bag. Next, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy, who is the Union Minister for Steel and Heavy Industries, he has launched SIMS 2.0, which is an upgraded form or version of steel import monitoring system. The population of elephants, it has declined since the year 2012 by 2.43% as per the data which was released before the Parliament by the Environment Ministry. Now let's cover some important international news developments. So India and UK, it is launched a joint technology security initiative which is aimed at ensuring telecommunication security and collaboration in a couple of areas like semiconductors, artificial intelligence, health technology, so on and so forth. India and US have signed a bilateral cultural property agreement to facilitate return of stolen and smuggled antiquities which somehow made its way to the US and will be returned by virtue of this collaboration. International Olympic Committee has chosen French Alps to host the 2030 Olympic and Paralympics game, and this is subject to the condition that the French government provides the financial security and collaboration which is needed. Now let's cover an important day related update. So this year, the day concerned is the World Nature Conservation Day. This year it fell on Sunday, 28th of July. The theme for the year was Connecting People and Plants, Exploring Digital Innovation in Wildlife Conservation. So that's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe until we meet again.